Some saw a baby, some saw a king, some heard the whisper of shimmering wings, some felt the touch only heaven can bring, God in His grace reaching down. Listen and you'll hear the sound of the heartbeat of hope.
Love of His children for the wounds of His word. God placed a Savior in the arms of a girl.
There in the straw heaven's heartbeat was heard, shepherds in awe bowing down. Listen and you'll hear the sound of the heartbeat of hope. Misery turned to miracle, darkness turned into light. Every desperate prayer was bathed in hope that holy night. Into our longing, into our pain, grace flows like rivers and peace falls like rain. The heart can believe what the mind can explain. Where there is faith, it is found. Listen and you'll hear the sound
Of the heartbeat of hope.
the heartbeat of hope.